Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install Meta.ai app. So Meta.ai app is a personal AI assistant designed to provide tailored answers, advice and inspiration throughout the day. So if you want to download and install this application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. If you're using the Apple device, simply open App Store. Since I'm using the Android, I'm going to open the Play Store. Now you can see over here the Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Meta AI. Now you'll be able to find the results over here. Find the application for Meta AI and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the information regarding Meta AI over here. Simply tap on the option install that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. While it is installing, you can simply go through the reviews and about this application. Now after a while you can see over here Meta AI application will be installed. You can simply tap on the option open in order to open it. Now you can see over here the Meta AI application has been installed on your device. So that is how you download and install Meta AI app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.